In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your global color styles and palette in Figma. This workflow keeps your designs consistent, speeds up changes, and makes collaboration a lot smoother. Start by opening your design file. On your canvas, draw a few simple shapes. Circles or squares both work well, and fill each one with a color from your brand. Think in terms of roles, not just hues. Choose your primary brand color or set of primaries. Pick a neutral range for grays, and select your accent colors. These shapes are your swatches. A quick visual way to confirm the palette looks balanced side by side. With your swatches in place, it's time to turn them into reusable color styles. Click a shape to select it. In the right sidebar under Fill, look for the 4-dot style icon and click it. Then hit the plus icon to create style. Give the style a clear, purposeful name such as Primary Dark or Neutral 50. Naming matters because it communicates how the colors should be used. For example, Neutral 50 suggests a lighter gray in a scale, and Primary Dark suggests a stronger version of your main brand color. Organize your styles so they're easy to find later. Use a folder color name structure, like Brand Red, 500 and Brand Red, 600. The slash creates a folder in the Styles panel, keeping related colors grouped together. This is especially helpful when your palette grows to include multiple shades of the same hue. Keep your naming consistent across the set so everyone on your team can quickly identify the right color for the job. Now, apply these color styles to the objects in your design. Select an object, go to the Fill in the right sidebar. Open the Styles panel, and choose the style you created. You'll notice the Fill now references the style name rather than a raw color value. That link is the key to global control. When you need to make a change across your entire project, update the style itself. Click on the style, edit the color, and Figma will update every object using that style automatically. This is perfect for refining brand shades, testing accessibility, or exploring subtle theme adjustments without manually hunting down every instance. By setting up your palette this way, you keep your work consistent, adaptable, and ready for scale. Thanks for watching.